Hi guys, and welcome to PyMath. In today's video, we're going to be solving a problem that appeared on the 2019 Kangaroo Math Contest for grades 9 and 10. The problem states that a square has two of its vertices on a semicircle and the other two on the diameter of the semicircle, as shown. The radius of the circle is 1 centimeter. What is the area of the square? Okay, so first, we are going to label the center of the semicircle, the origin of the semicircle, okay? And that's the black dot. Since the square is inside the semicircle and its vertices are touching the semicircle, we can say that the distance from the origin to one end of the square is the same as the distance from the origin to the other side of the square. So I'm just going to label those x, those distances x. Now keep in mind, half of the side length is x, because this is only half, right? So half of the side length is x. So that means the full side length is 2x, and I'll label that here. And finally, with a semicircle, the distance from the diameter, the circumference of the semicircle, meaning all here, is 1. It's always going to be 1. So we can say that the distance from here to the edge of the square is going to be 1. Okay? So now, using Pythagorean theorem, since this is a 90-degree angle, we can conclude that x squared plus 2x squared equals 1, because 1 squared is 1. And finally, let's define what the area of the square is. Since one side of the square is 2x, the area of the square is 2x squared, or the area is 4x squared, which is basically just this squared. So continuing this, we get that x squared plus 4x squared equals to 1, and 5x squared equals to 1. Okay? Now when we move the 5 down, we get x squared equals 1 by 5. Now we have x squared, but what we need is 4x squared. So all we have to do is take this value and multiply it by 4 to get 4x squared, which is the area of this square. So 4x squared is equal to 4 by 5. All we did is we multiplied 4 on each side. So 4x squared is the area, which means that the area is 4 over 5 units, or A, 4 over 5 centimeters squared. That means A is the answer. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.